Hi everyone. I ordered this barbecue grill hand wipe with extra thickness for this wet napkin, and actually it's quite a bit. It's like they have a 50 individual wrapper inside the bag, and when I open the bag, and you can see the size of the wrapper. Actually it's quite a big. So in the video you can see it's larger than my hand, and in the bag actually the napkin smells pretty good, and the quality actually is pretty nice as well. So, and for the packaging they recommend you can put in the microwave, or you can put in the refrigerator. You know, if it's summertime it will be nice, you know, have that like ice napkin I can use. And overall I would say it's pretty good quality because it's very comfortable, and it's very nice. You know, if you have it in home when the guests coming, and you can have it for your guests. So I recommend for this product. I like it. Thank you. Bye.